Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up or create or make your own Phantom wallet right here on Google Chrome. And you can do this everywhere on the PC, but today I will show you how to install Phantom for Google Chrome. So right now we are here on phantom.com. And then what we're going to do is we select right here download. Then we scroll down and now we can decide if you want to download it for Chrome, Firefox, Brave or Edge. So let's click right here on Google Chrome. Then it will send us right here to the Chrome Web Store, and now we select right here Add Chrome. Then we select right here Add Extension, and right now he is adding right here the extension. Then right here we can tell them that we want a new wallet. So we click right here on Create New Wallet. Then we click right here on Login with email, and then we select right here and Google account. You can also do an Apple account, but I will do a Google account right now. Then we select right here my Google account. Then we do Continue. And then right now he is logging in with our Google account. Now we need to create a PIN, so we will do this. Then we do Continue. And then right now confirm the PIN. And then we do Create PIN. And then he's loading our wallet. And then right now we need to create a password. So we will do this. Now we do I agree to the terms of service, and now we do continue. Then right now we need to create a username. So we will do this right here. And now we do continue. And now he is creating our own Phantom wallet right here. So now you are all ready. And now if you click right here on Get Started, you see right here at this extension or wallet. So now if you go here to my account, you see right here all the wallet addresses that we can use if you want to deposit Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Monad, Base, Sui, Polygon or Hyper. And yeah, now you can find here all the information that you need. So now we are having an account right here, and this was exactly where I was looking for. We can also buy right here Sol for cash. So click here, select we want to buy 100 US dollars Sol, and then we can do buy, and then they send you to Moon page where you can log in and directly pay by credit card. But right here guys, this is how you can create your own Phantom wallet. If you have any questions about the Phantom wallet, please comment there below so I can help you out. But this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.